Demystifying the phrase, play up. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases. Have you ever heard someone use the phrase, play up, and wondered what it means? By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. When we think of the words play and up separately, they have very straightforward meanings. Play can mean to engage in an activity for enjoyment and recreation, and up usually refers to a direction or higher position. But when combined, play up takes on different meanings. In the English language, play up is an idiomatic phrase, which means its meaning isn't always directly derived from the individual words. Here are the common uses. 1. Emphasize or exaggerate. If someone is playing up their achievements, they're emphasizing them, often making them seem more significant than they really are. 2. Example, she always plays up her role in the project, making it sound like she did all the work. 3. Malfunction or act up, often used for machines or parts of the body. 4. Example, my computer has been playing up lately. I might need to get it checked. 5. Misbehave. This is mostly used for children or even pets when they aren't behaving as expected. 6. Example, the kids started playing up as soon as their mom left the room. 1. Context is key. Always pay attention to the context in which play up is used. The surrounding sentences usually give a clue about which meaning is intended. 2. Play with it. The best way to understand any phrase is to use it. Try forming your sentences with play up and share them with friends or teachers to get feedback. And there you have it. The versatile phrase, play up, decoded for you. Remember, idiomatic expressions can often seem confusing, but with a little practice, they become an exciting part of mastering the English language. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep playing with your newfound knowledge, and until next time, happy learning!